Hey y'all, it's spring break. Did you know it was spring break? I live here right here in Cocoa Beach, Florida, so spring break is like another level. And what I mean is we still have our snowbirds, right? If you love them, love them. Driving's always a challenge, but that's okay because it's people of a certain age, which is, me too. That's okay. And now we've got added families coming to the beach, which is awesome, awesome. But traffic is insane. So there's that. I'm Lisa Jo, your essential oil girl, and I am moving from Cocoa Beach, Florida, the Banana River, I can count them on one hand now, days I'm going to still be living here and have my sunset. I'm going to miss it terribly. Moving to Lone Tree, Colorado with an apartment that has no view. So I'm going to share the sunset tonight. But you might can hear, oh, y'all get to see a boat go by if they hurry up. We don't get much boat activity here. By the way, our condo will be on the market soon, so watch for that. Seminole Landing, I'm just saying, watch for that. Okay, here comes the boat. Isn't this fun? You can hear them talking because anytime you're on the water, people, right? You can hear everything. Isn't that fun? Spring break. Nobody lives in those condos, hey, y'all. I love it. Now, mind you, the door's open. Am I going to miss that? I am going to miss that. Am I going to miss the traffic? No, I am not going to miss the traffic. I'm not going to miss the traffic. And I really didn't have much to say to you today outside the fact that I wanted to share it's spring break. And we are having some delightful entertainment out our window. All right. Love you guys. I will actually try to think of something important to talk about next video. Subscribe and like to my page. That way, whenever I do one of these fabulous entertaining videos, you can watch every second of it. Love you guys. Bye. Happy spring break.